Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. With this being July 4th weekend in the United States and Monday being July 4th, I want to do a little memory about the military. My daddy was a Navy man and I wanted to be a naval officer, and that was my whole life's goal. And I could get in there and then navigate my way through life, and every decision I made was based on me being a naval officer. Well, when I was little, used to get these information cards and magazines and stuff, and there was information about the Navy in there. So I sent it off. Didn't think no more about it. Well, I was out roaming the woods somewhere. Who knows? I came home, and my mama had a way about it. I could tell something was cooking. And she said, "Hey, come here for a minute." I said, "Yes, ma'am." She said, "Did you send off any information cards?" And that's like asking me if I saw grass that day. If I could write a letter to somebody to ask a question, I was just a curious child. I know I got on everybody's nerves. I was wanting an answer. Well, I knew then it's best to keep my mouth shut and let my mama talk. Well, two naval recruiters had come to the house to speak with me. And I was 12, 13 years old. And my mother invited me in, because my dad was a Navy man, and, we always uh, respected and were polite to military people. And they inquired about me, and my mom explained to them I was young and that I sent and got information. Well, they thought it was funny, and they had come way too long a ways to see me. They figured they would enlist me today, or that day rather. Well, my mom talked with them. They gave her a bunch of stickers and stuff. Some of them are still on some doors that I stuck them on going into a garage, and they're still up there. And my brother just happened to come in. Well, they said, well, maybe perhaps he'd want to join. He'd already went and took a test for the military, and he wasn't wanting to go. That was during Vietnam, and more than likely he's going to be cannon fodder on the front line. And he's like, no, it's not me. He wasn't. He was cordial, but he weren't polite. He left, and but I had a bunch of stuff from him when I got home, and mom, she wasn't real mad about it. She just, it's just another day of me being me and stuff happening here. But anyway, it was a funny time. But just remember what this July 4th is all about. It's about freedom. And a lot of patriots paved the way for us to enjoy this freedom. And y'all know I've got a special place in my heart for the military, especially those World War II vets and Vietnam, Korea, who are always so nice and cordial to me. And I hope every one of you has a great 4th. Pop plenty of fireworks and eat a bunch of hamburgers and hot dogs and maybe a beer or two, because I plan to. Happy 4th of July, everyone.